the empties. Oh, come on, Gizmo. You drank all the beers. Now we're gonna have to go to the store. Yeah, I know. And it's mandatory that we wear masks.
Don't worry, Gizmo. I won't forget the corona. See? Happy?
That is good. Whew. How's yours, Gizmo? I'm Jahnnalee, and I did all the crew work and post-production work, which makes me a 1.5-person show and crew. Gizmo and I are a feel-good comedy duo. And if you enjoyed our video, click like and subscribe. Hit that bell icon so you'll be notified. Click here for other videos or in the card section above. Join our Why Wait community on Patreon or support us by checking out our merchandise. Want mine and Gizmo's clothes that we wore in this video or the film equipment I used? It's listed on my Amazon shop. All links are in the description below, and until next time, stay authentic.